What's up, guys? What's going on today? Getting out, getting ready, going to work. I'm about to do. And I had this thought coming out to work today. Maybe this will help some people. What are you doing to make yourself successful? Big question, right? I'm going to say it this way. All successful people work hard to be successful. Now, a lot of people achieve success and they're real humble people, and you won't see the drive and the determination express so much on the outside, but they're hardworking people. They work hard at it. No matter what you do, if you have a brick and mortar business, or if you're doing things online, or whatever the nature of the journey is, you have to put in the effort in order to see the success. We are so driven by this lottery mentality that you put a little bit in and you get a massive reward. And maybe sometimes that does happen. But the majority of us, it's a good thing. I feel good at the end of the day when I've produced, when I've worked and I've done the things that produce money. I don't want to sit at home in front of the TV and hope that money comes in. Okay? And I am working now diligently on online businesses where I can free up more time, make more money, but that's not so that I can just be lazy and sit around and do nothing. I want to be able to produce more with my efforts. Make sense? Okay, so I'll leave you with this. I saw it. What's driving this is I saw a picture yesterday. It's one of those things on Facebook, and it was a picture of, if you know baseball well enough, like this team's out on the field and they're doing their workouts and stuff. So it wasn't a ball game going on, but the caption was this: those who achieve great success do the things constantly do the things that unsuccessful people don't do constantly. Most of your major athletes, when you see those, they have put in hours and hours. You don't see the pictures of them working diligently in the gym or in the batting cage or with the equipment. You just see them perform on the field. But they are putting in the work that the people in the stands are not willing to put in. So, hopefully, not to be a rebuke, but to encourage you. Come on, man, you got to go after it. If you've got a dream, if you've got a vision in your mind of a success story that you're seeing and you want that to be you, you're going to have to put in the hours. You're going to have to put in the work. You're going to have to do the things that get you that dream, and not just hope that you wake up one day and it falls in your lap. If it does, great. But until then, work. Be diligently working. Let's go get it, guys. We can live a dream life. And I'm not talking about billions of dollars. That may be what some people's dream life is. I'm talking about freedom and being able to live a life of enjoyment and fun and still be entrepreneurs and still be able to make the money we want. All right? So I hope you guys have a great day. Go get it, bro.